we just want you to please kindly welcome the deputy CROs. It's just 3 minutes away. Can I take your exam? Thank you.
It's not important how long you live, but how well you live. Add meaning to your life. It's not important how long we live, but how well we live.
Our department, together with the Premier and Executive Mayor, we will be leading a 2-day program, of youth empowerment program in Mangaung. Our focus is metropolitan. The Minister of Economy, Mayor MaQueen, we take keen interest as a Department of Planning, Monitoring and Evaluation on performance of metros in the country. This is not an exception. I'm from Durban, if you recall. I was in the working with the metro. MaQueen recently, the minister was in PE dealing with the metro. We want metros to be aligned to the medium-term development plan and provinces. So we also want metros to take their rightful place in terms of taking a key responsibility in socio-economic activities in their regions. Metros are not just passive recipients of the allocation and the grants, but metros must stimulate economic activities in their localities. So the program now is designed to promote youth development, employment and entrepreneurship, and innovation by exposing young people to opportunities in high-impact sectors such as ICT and manufacturing sector. So the program we are kickstarting today by being here.
The Department of Economic Development, it's our mother department. They deal with the policy framework from what ought to be done for young people. So, in this area, DRs, we have enterprise development, we have a property management as broadly as an FDC in the province. We deal with the investment facilitation, we deal with the export promotion, we also deal with the training and skills development, which I will deal with that specifically as the instructions.
My name is Gregory. I am the hub manager, also wearing another cap of acting CEO of Softstart. We are a digital hub, we are a digital environment. If you don't have one of these, just shout please, just kindly, if you're not using it, you are free to scan this. You will get the program, you will get the presentation, you will get the program of the hub. Unfortunately, the type of funding that we get, the funding model, is not really conducive to sustain this particular sector. So we've gone out of our way, we've submitted proposals waiting for our coming goals, but for us to survive DM, we need to have additional funding. And also the police here, I'm also issues in here. I'm also trying to engage the office of the Premier, see if they can step into a special project of some sort. Because at the end of the day, we want to avoid turning these beautiful facilities, turning into a white elephant.
So Chair, just in short, because we don't want to make mistakes that were not been covered. But we're just saying to our leadership in government that if you are serious about necessitating the industrial parks, invest in public infrastructure, invest in Tshabalala, invest in Nthatisi.
In the main, you can come back a year later, 2 years, receive funds facility. We'll push and fight tooth and nail to ensure that it remains sustainable and also it impacts the community. Thank you, Judith.
What we have agreed to do is that we will then take the report through the deliberations that were engaged on yesterday and take that report into the TTM1 plan processes so that we then have a project or a plan that is more actionable